Most people in the UK believe paying high tax is unavoidable. But hidden inside millions of workplace pensions is a completely legal system that can reduce both income tax and national insurance at the same time. It is called salary sacrifice. And for many employees, understanding it properly can mean saving thousands of pounds over the next decade without earning a single pound more. Salary sacrifice is a formal agreement between you and your employer where part of your gross salary is exchanged for a pension contribution before tax is calculated. That sounds simple, but the financial effect is far bigger than most people realize. Normally, employees receive their salary first, then income tax and national insurance are deducted, and only afterward pension contributions are made. Salary sacrifice changes the order completely. Instead of receiving the money yourself, the sacrificed amount goes directly into your pension before deductions happen. Because your taxable salary becomes lower, both your income tax and national insurance bill fall automatically. The contribution reaches your pension untouched by deductions, creating a more efficient path for long-term wealth building through your workplace pension arrangement. The reason salary sacrifice remains overlooked is because most employees never examine how their pension contributions are processed. They simply accept the default setup chosen during workplace auto-enrollment and assume all pension systems operate the same way. In reality, many employees are using relief at source, which still gives tax relief but does not reduce national insurance contributions. That difference matters. Salary sacrifice creates a dual saving because both tax and national insurance are calculated on a smaller gross salary figure. Most people focus only on income tax and completely ignore the national insurance side of the equation. Employers rarely explain this in detail because payroll systems already handle it automatically. As a result, millions of UK workers unknowingly pay more deductions than necessary every single month, despite already contributing into a workplace pension. This is where salary sacrifice becomes far more powerful than most beginner guides explain. In the UK, employees pay national insurance on qualifying earnings, while employers also pay their own separate national insurance contribution on employee salaries. When salary sacrifice reduces gross pay, both sides save money simultaneously. The employee saves through lower national insurance deductions, while the employer saves because its payroll tax bill falls as well. Some employers keep that saving, but many larger organizations pass part, or even all of the employer national insurance saving back into the employee pension as an additional contribution. That means sacrificing £100 can sometimes result in more than £100 entering the pension pot. It is effectively extra money being generated through payroll structure rather than investment performance, and most employees never realize the opportunity exists. The financial difference becomes clearer when looking at actual salary levels. At £25,000 per year, sacrificing 5% of salary can produce combined annual savings of several £100s once tax and national insurance reductions are combined. At £35,000, the annual savings become even larger, often approaching £500 per year, depending on contribution structure. At £50,000, the combined savings become substantial, because more income falls into higher deduction bands. Importantly, these savings happen every single year, without requiring additional work, business income, or investment risk. Instead of disappearing through deductions, that money stays inside the pension environment where it can compound over decades. Over 20 or 30 years, the long-term difference between optimizing salary sacrifice and ignoring it can become extremely large, even for average earners. For higher earners, salary sacrifice becomes even more important because of the personal allowance taper in the UK tax system. Once income exceeds £100,000, the tax-free personal allowance begins shrinking. For every £2 earned above the threshold, £1 of allowance disappears. This creates an effective 60% marginal tax rate between £100,000 and £125,000. Many professionals never realize this hidden rate exists because it does not appear directly on standard tax tables. Salary sacrifice provides one of the cleanest ways to reduce taxable income below the threshold and restore lost personal allowance. For employees near this range, the decision is no longer just about retirement planning. It becomes a major tax efficiency strategy that can preserve thousands of pounds every year through proper payroll optimization. Despite its advantages, salary sacrifice is not perfect for every situation and should still be evaluated carefully. First, not every employer offers the arrangement, because it requires payroll and contractual adjustments. Second, because contractual salary becomes lower, some mortgage lenders may assess affordability using the reduced salary figure instead of the pre-sacrifice amount. This does not automatically create problems, but it is something borrowers should verify before applying for a mortgage. Third, salary sacrifice cannot reduce pay below the national minimum wage threshold, which limits flexibility for lower earners. Finally, pension contributions remain locked until pension access age, meaning sacrificed income is less accessible than ordinary cash savings. The strategy is powerful, but understanding the practical implications matters just as much as understanding the tax savings themselves. The real lesson behind salary sacrifice is larger than pensions alone. Wealth building in the UK is not only about earning more money. It is also about understanding how financial systems operate and using them efficiently. Two employees can earn exactly the same salary for 20 years and still end up with dramatically different outcomes simply because one understood how to reduce unnecessary deductions. Salary sacrifice is one of the clearest examples of this principle, because it combines tax efficiency, national insurance savings, employer contributions, and long-term investment compounding into one mechanism. The employees who benefit most are usually not financial experts. They are simply people who took time to understand how their workplace pension actually functions and asked the right questions to payroll or HR before assuming the default setup was already optimal. Now you understand why salary sacrifice is considered one of the most powerful and overlooked financial tools available to UK employees today. But reducing tax is only one part of building long-term wealth. What truly changes financial outcomes is what happens after those savings begin accumulating. Many people successfully reduced their deductions, yet still leave money sitting idle without a proper investment strategy. Over time, inflation quietly erodes the value of uninvested cash, while invested assets have the potential to compound and grow. That is why understanding pensions, ISAs, index funds, and long-term investing matters just as much as lowering taxes. On your screen right now is the next video explaining exactly how to invest your money step by step inside the UK system, so your savings can grow efficiently over time instead of remaining financially stagnant for years.